we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Japanese company and brand that produces a line of motorsport helmets for motorcycles in particular. So how do you say this name? It is to be pronounced as SHOEI. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced motorcycle brand names too, so make sure to stay tuned. This one is simple. I mean, it's not obvious when you look at how it is spelled, but then it's simple to say SHOEI, SHOEI. Pretty straightforward once you know SHOEI, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.